Imagine why the Vicarja, right? Tá géirí coppla rud a dhéanú imagine an céad rud ná dulfríd na nótaí sa leor saoíocht agus an darna rud ná dulfríd má cuid nótaí héan. Okay, so we'll be taking a look at the notes in the book to see what kind of insight it can offer us, and then I want you to learn my notes, which are a wee bit more straightforward and a wee bit more doable. Okay, so shot an leor. Is said an gra an tunnel tucht agus an magu pre wahu kain an dain. So love cynicism and magu and mocking is pre of mahukain and dain. Shin na rudi na mahukain is lydra sedansha. They're the strongest emotions. Tan filla in ral and a farkela gone doubt, gone iris. Without a doubt, she is in love with him, like she does love him. Aktashi sonicule, Mariala a notion convention of than gra, but she's cynical, you know, she's kind of a wee bit sarcastic about it. Mariala a notion convention because of the conventional notion of love a lair reacher is scanna in Hollywood movies agus na Shan Aurain Gra and in the old Irish love poems and love songs na Shan Aurain Gra. It's na Shan Aurain Gra they were very kind of over the top and the person they were on about was kind of perfect. Rudnach will really darnoí. Curran an Léirú nósra den gra an omarcha béime chuma isachach an Leanain. So the Léirú nóswer, the conventional or typical and Léirú tradition to den gra, it puts on omarcha béime too much emphasis on omarcha barriocht béime chuma isachach an Leanain, on the physical appearance of the person. So Leanan, shin sweetheart, darling, darlehi, according to the filla. Agus tá parson tucht an dinne Nís táhachtaí na chuma isachach an dinne in a term, and the character of a person, parson tucht an dinne, the personality of a person. So táhachtach is important, nís táhachtaí is more important na chuma isachach an dinne than the physical appearance, in a term, in a barrow. Dar lehi. Leis an taggart de honid céad trochel is Shakespeare, in the reference to Shakespeare's sonnet, taggart is reference. Jalrian she kind of says that go dagan she lena turum gur féidir lat fear gra ve agat the Leanan. It's kind of suggesting that it's féidir that you're able to have fear gra, true love the Leanan for your sweetheart. Gan comparaji bregacha a chomu fuina fuhi, without making these comparaji bregacha, you know, fear is true, bregach false, these false comparisons, without writing these unrealistic comparisons about him or about her. Tá si magu foi notion tradition to den gra, she's kind of mocking or igskigwagu, parodying the traditional notion of love, the notion noswer. Nura common fili cur she is fadalach aliacht isachach an Leanan, when the poets nura common shed nura screven shed. Cur she is fadalach, a long winding description, cur she is fadalach. Aliacht isachach a Leanain, on the physical love of the sweetheart. Marganya furfa dahul as a person who's perfect, good looking, you know, flawless. Is ere, now air is a satire. Rudé gonna tag magu fuinos. Is ere and dan a notion e doin den gra a ekamuj illitricht agus is scanain a tabonihe choma and dinye. So it's a satire, something rather a tag kinyon magu foi. The notion e doin, now doin is deep, e doin is shallow or superficial. So the superficial notion of love that we see illitricht, filiacht mar hampla, agus is scanain and in movies, agus Snapchat, agus Insta, agus marshinda. A tá bonithe comma an dinne, because that's all based on comma an dinne, on comma isachach, the physical appearance of the person. So sin na noti sa leor, right? Tá sé táhacht a Gulfried sin, but an ish rocky me a raile ma cuid noti héan. Michael leor, shans go mis seo rubbug nís ingenta, a bit more doable. Is said gra agus ahas na mohukain a wasclín an dan seo on him. Now, tá sé bra clachti leis an raza seo Freenam Shaw, the emotions that it awakens in me on him. Kinsha, Jen and Phila Kershi skigul a farkela. So she does give a Kershi skigul, a parody kind of a description of him, you know, a comical if you like. Agus Kershi is really okay, but it is really now a couple of focal on for realistic, redual, really. It is a realistic description. De gra usually ní ector ach buana. You only see the buana, and that's an example there of the free verb in the present tense. It is not seen, or it's only seen. Ní ector ach buana ach fecin an fila luchtana agus buana a fur. But the poet sees his faults and his virtues. Na puinchi maiche agus na droch puinchi mas that. And they are the good points and the bad points of her man. That's your tissue ginajach. Shin Racha, having said that, Neil and Ershaw Sharu or Harby. Now, I mentioned is a couple of moments show hin. This satire, Neil she Sharu, it's not bitter, Sharu, or Harby, like she doesn't mean any harm, it's an affectionate kind of a ribbon. Or Harby at all. It's Lair go well on Phila Sasta or Fadlin a Farkiela. It's clear that she's very happy with him. Jirak Maritashe, and that's an important wee phrase for this poem. Just as he is, Jirak Maritashe, Kainach will she dahul, Kainach will she furfa. When she usage as Eowyn a Klishja, as picture Klishja, she uses clever imagery. Hon Kershias Nyau Weithnyuk a Yenuer a gra. Now, Weithnyuk, sentimental, Nyau Weithnyuk is unsentimental. You know, it's not over romanticized. Era gra, era lianan, era far kela. So verse Jernach, in the last verse, Jershi gwil she sasta, godogan she turhi g mar rontanus. She says that she's happy that he gives her turhi, fruit, ula, carafinuna mar rontanus. But tigam wujan shaw knock will wujan kind we her you understand by now, we're not talking literally go litterha about fruit, we're talking about reactanish on tail, agus soana on tail, talking she ara whitey. Tigter, it is understood, free verb, I'm sure like her. Tigter knock will on filla a Kershias. We understand that she's not putting him down, Neil she a Kershias. Aka will she genu ag torch lergus skigul air. She's given us a lergus skigul, a parody, a kind of a portrayal that's taken the mick out of him, but it's an affectionate kind of a mocking. Ní drochra de. Níl she giri ve me kenyalta leis. She's not trying to be unkind to him. Ta she go humlin in ra leis. Agus is lergwil kaidru specialta idir an verch. Jerhin gur far nua aimshaha is shaw. Mark will she sasta cursuas leis an lergus skigul shaw. So shin na mohu kind sadan. Ta shaw le folam agav don inya. So don la new. Bhí téimi an dain le fólam agah le cuidiú dé tá sin genta agah agus na mothú cain tá sin le fólam agah don aine se thugaí. Agus an sin choirí mé suas fís le golfríd na nótaí barúil an dain. Right, your opinion on the poem. Michael York feici me sibh an sin bíigh gobar idir an dálinn. Gur maigh a bh carja, cunigí slán.